All right, everybody, and welcome to the Pure Pixel Blueprint. And what I'm going to do today is show you exactly, what application I use to link my Shopify store to the Google Merchant Center, which is basically the intermediary between Google Ads and your Shopify store. So basically, what happens is you have products listed on a Shopify store, and this program, which is called Google Shopping Feed, creates a fancy spreadsheet, let's say, and it sends the data over to Google Merchant Center. And then from there, you can import the feed from Google Merchant Center directly into Google Ads, and you can start running your promotions. So I do suggest using the Google Shopping Feed application on the Shopify App Store. Like I said, I started dropshipping back, oh gosh, I don't know, about 4 or 5 years ago. And Shopify has since changed its platform, and they have what's called their marketing center. And to tell you the truth, I haven't had much luck with that, and I just like using the old school methods, and I'll show you why, okay? So what I've done is I've pulled up a dummy store here that is actually active and actually is selling, but I'm using it for the purposes of this presentation and these trainings to show you that this is working right now, okay? That this is not some smoke and mirrors. Like, this actually works right now and is working for me currently. So I'm going to take you through, and I'm going to show you one particular product that seems to be working very well. And as you notice, okay, we have the products from the store listed, okay? And we're going to go into the original simple ketone meter, okay? Now, a couple things that are very important to remember, okay? The product title here, okay, does not have to match the product title on your page. And you may say, well, why is that important? Because the way that Google Shopping works is that it is a keyword-rich program. So basically what happens is there are no target keywords. The keywords that it pulls from the user's search query are actually the number one thing is the product title, right? So product title is very important. Description is also important, okay? About 500 words or characters is what's going to show, immediately on the list, okay? The vendor obviously is either your store or the brand that you're going to be using. Now, very important that we select the Google product category. Now, this application is very easy, okay? As in, if I wanted to change this, you can just start typing health, and it's automatically going to fill, what you're looking for, and beauty. And we're going to go right down to, and basically I just scroll down to see what are available. And this is a biometric monitor, as best I can tell. Then we want to go down to the listing details, right? Condition, it's new, okay? I don't really select gender specific, and I don't really select age group, but I do want to submit this product as a custom product, and we can add custom labels, and I'll go into that a little bit more in depth, okay? And obviously we're going to have variants, right? So we're just hosting one variant here, and that would be the single product. And that's all we're doing. We're just trying to pull the click off of Google. And why that's so important is, in this blueprint, what I'm going to show you is that this is a much better method to keep your pixel clean and to build data, right? Because Facebook is all about data and the correct data. And we can't create custom audiences of bad data, right? Basically the old adage, shit in, shit out. And that's the truth, and that's what I've found. So once you have this set up for each product, okay, you can go through, okay, you hit update product, it reloads. And let's go into one, okay, as an example to show you one that I haven't set up. So we'll go into products and we'll go to the Amazing Easy Wrench, right? And on the Amazing Easy Wrench, you can see product titles there, right? But it doesn't have a Google category. So let's just type tool. And we can go through and select which category that it would be. I would say it would be a wrench. Pretty simple, guys, right? So we're going to select the condition as new. Okay. We could select gender, as in male. You know, more males would probably use a wrench, but I'm going to leave that open. Submit as a custom product. Okay. Um, and if you're advertising multiple products, you can always put a label in here as tools as the group, and then you can type in for your custom label two. You can go wrench, and I'll show you these have nothing to do with the availability of how they serve on Google. It has to do with your optimizing your campaigns in the background. So we've got that done, and we just simply hit update product, and it's that simple, right? So remind you that there's always going to be a delay, between 1 and 3 days between this being sent to Google Merchant Center and then ultimately into Google. Okay, but I wanted to make sure you know the basics of connecting your Shopify store to the Merchant Center, okay, via this platform. And this is the easiest platform I've found that you can do that with. So on to the next video, we're going to show you exactly how to set up the correct way your first Google campaign in shopping. And guys, it's way easier than you think, right? Let this thing work on autopilot for you. So see you in the next video.